Yo, good people, it's your homie HerbMan. Busting you back upside the head with another hot banger boogie. So this is how you use the gel glow, okay? All you gotta do is simply wet the area, wet your skin, wet your hair, and apply it. This is for external use only, you guys. This is not a sea moss gel that you want to drink, okay? This is for external use only, okay? You can apply it to your skin. You can apply it to your hair. It will help it grow. It will help it nourish it. It will help curl it up. It will help straighten it out. It will help strengthen it. It will help grow it. It will help do whatever. So it's good for baby hair. It's good for no hair. It's good for kinky hair. It's good for short hair. It's good for straight hair. It's good for any kind of hair and any kind of skin, all right? So you simply want to wet your hair. You don't have to wet it all the way up. Just give it a little dampness. Okay? You want to take the gel glow. As you can see, it turns into a gel. Now you do have to refrigerate this, okay? You do have to refrigerate it. See that? Nice gelatin. Put it in your hand. And apply it, all right? That's it. And you're going to see the benefits of that simple application as you move forward. Now this should last you for about a good month now, because you don't have to over apply it. A little goes a long way. It got all of the essential oils in it that you need to grow your hair. Rose, geranium, lavender, rosemary, jojoba oil. All these things that are good for hair growth, good for skin care. Vegetable glycerin in there so you can apply it. And also it's going to preserve it. And that's it, man. That's all you got to do. And you can also apply it to your beard as well. If you guys out there trying to grow your beard, put it in your beard hair and let it do its thing, man. Remember, it's good for the skin, so you ain't got to worry about it. Dip, dab it, and go. Okay? And you'll instantly start to see how soft everything begins to get. Dip, dab it, and go, man. Go get your gel glow. The first 100 customers, you get a discount. I love you guys. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Until next time, love HerbMan.